As conceived by artist Liz Richter and facilitated by Louisville Visual Art, the Clifton Multisensory Wall is a public art project designed for individuals who are blind or visually impaired as well as the general public. Using images that reference the people, buildings, flowers, and animals of the neighborhood and are rendered in bright contrasting colors, the tiles tell a story of the historic Clifton neighborhood and the legacy of the Kentucky School for the Blind and the American Printing House for the Blind. Located near both of these institutions on the park-like grounds of Banks Common Housing, the wall is a 46-foot-long curved structure rising from 2 feet high at either end to a center point 7 feet tall. Custom paved stones cover the ground in front of the structure, so the project allows unique accessibility and engagement with visual art for the blind and visually impaired citizens who have made Clifton their home. Here, you will find audio recordings in which disability inclusion specialist and blind performing artist Darren Harbour provides descriptive details of the imagery and colors used in the tiles, as well as how they express the themes and narrative of the piece. Additionally, the recordings offer background information on the artist and a listing of the funders who made this ambitious addition to the Louisville public art landscape possible.